When it comes to aviation-inspired watches, few brands have the heritage and the reputation of Breitling. Known for creating some of the most capable pilot watches in the world, Breitling has built a legacy around precision, durability, and professional performance. Today, we are taking a closer look at this pre-owned but brand new condition Breitling Avenger Chronograph GMT 45. A watch that combines bold design, impressive functionality, and the quality you'd expect from one of Switzerland's most respected watchmakers. Straight away, the first thing that stands out is the size and the presence of this watch. Measuring at 45mm, the stainless steel case gives it a strong wrist presence while staying true to the rugged character of the Avenger collection. The blue dial is a real highlight of this watch, offering a fantastic contrast against the stainless steel case. The large numeral hour markers give the watch a distinctive aviation-inspired look, whilst also making it incredibly easy to read at a glance. As it is a chronograph, this watch is designed for more than just telling the time. The additional pushes on the side of the case allows you to operate the stopwatch function, adding another layer of practicality to this already highly capable timepiece. One of the standout features of this model is the GMT function. Designed with travelers in mind, the additional GMT hand allows you to track a second time zone, making this a perfect companion for frequent flyers or anyone who needs to keep track of a different time around the world. Inside is Breitling's reliable 24 automatic movement, offering excellent accuracy and dependable performance. Like any automatic watch, it is powered by the movement of your wrist. Protecting the striking blue dial is a sapphire crystal known for exceptional scratch resistance and clarity. This ensures the watch remains looking its best even with everyday wear. The Avenger collection is built for adventure, and this model is no exception. With an impressive 300 meters of water resistance, it's more than capable of handling swimming, diving, and everyday conditions. The robust stainless steel construction gives the watch a reassuring sense of strength and durability. This particular watch also comes complete with the original box and papers, making it even more appealing option for collectors or someone who's looking for a premium Breitling experience. The Breitling Avenger has always represented the perfect balance between professional functionality and bold everyday style. It's a watch designed for pilots and travelers and adventurers, but one that looks just as impressive worn anywhere. Overall, this Breitling Avenger Chronograph GMT 45 is a fantastic example of what makes Breitling so popular. With its striking blue dial, GMT functionality, automatic movement, and impressive 300 meters of water resistance, it offers everything you'd expect from a modern luxury sports watch. And with this being a pre-owned model in brand new condition, complete with the box and papers, it's a great opportunity to own a Breitling classic at an exceptional value. If you're thinking of updating your own collection, don't forget that we also buy and sell pre-owned watches. Whether you're looking for your next timepiece or give your current watch a new home, we'd be happy to help. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means a lot. And I'll see you next time.